I seen your picture.
What's that? Are you gonna squat jerk today since it's Freedom Week?
Dan is letting me squat jerk this whole block.
You squat jerk? Okay. How exciting!
He's gonna try it out. The only person ever to squat jerk with permission.
Yes.
Trying to trick a woman into dating me, dude. Come on.
With cheesy biscuits?
Yes, sir. Good. All right, cool.
These are warm.
Yeah, I gotta figure out how to get them warm there. It's 2 hours away, so.
Good for them.
Oh, thank you.
Hold
I have
them
a,
under your armpits as you drive.
Right.
I have an insulated backpack.
Little bite.
I'm good, thank you. I appreciate it.
What's that?
What flour do you use?
All purpose. But yeah, sifted it, cut in the butter by hand because I don't have no fancy stand mixer or
I'm
anything.
just saying, like the southern origin flours tend to work better.
Yeah, that's really good. Oh, I don't know where it came from. It's just been in the house for a long time, so.
Alabama flour.
Alabama, yeah, tell you would.
They're known for their wheat.
Yeah.
I've also tried to pick up women with my cheesy biscuits.
Yeah.
That was a euphemism, though.
I understand.
Yes.
Yeah.
talking about my genitals. You ready for question of the day?
Sure.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay. Lindsay, what's the question again? Favorite lifting snack?
Snack?
Yeah. So do you eat snacks between lifts?
Not really.
I didn't think so.
No.
I don't see you eating gummy
No.
bears and stuff like that.
No. I usually eat applesauce beforehand.
Okay.
Yeah.
For just
For
carbs?
some energy. Yeah.
Carbs, sugar? Yeah.
Since I have a long time, I eat a little oatmeal.
Okay.
That's about it.
See, you're too healthy. You're too
I mean,
good.
I don't lift that heavy right now, so
Yeah, it's like,
I don't really need this.
I haven't earned it.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's that? Oh, from?
I have, yeah.
Very blend coffee roasters.
Never heard of them.
Apparently they're really good.
All right, you gotta let me know.
I will give you a review.
Thank you.
Huh.
Again, you try to think of the position. You gotta go. You think you
Paul.
You can't think here.
Paul made cheesy biscuits with smoked cheddar and Gruyere because he's practicing because he has a picnic date.
Oh, okay. Amazing.
Wants to impress her.
Yeah.
I'm impressed, but I'm married. No, these are cold. If they were warm, I might have to cheat on my wife.
That's on video.
All right, Melissa, watch out. The only thing between you and lifelong marriage is warm biscuits. When I say snack, I believe snack and candy are interchangeable.
A candy is
A candy is a type of snack.
so you have to choose.
Yeah. Hey,
Hey,
what's your favorite lifting snack?
Charlie gummy worms.
Gummy worms? Do you have a specific brand of gummy worm?
Specifically the Very Berry.
Slowly, very, very. Yeah, those things
They're
are so
superior.
delicious. They're so good. All right, question of the day.
Oh, okay.
Favorite weightlifting snack, like intro workout snack?
Well, lately it's been whatever candy Tyler has.
So,
So, I literally whatever candy Tyler has, I just take his candy.
Sour Patch Kids?
Usually Sour Patch.
Yeah.
And I take Katie's.
Yeah.
I'm a candy thief.
Okay, so you don't have a favorite. It's whatever's free.
Yes.
All right.
Sometimes like Paul, biscuits today.
Biscuits today. 'Cause Paul had
You
biscuits.
never know what's gonna come into those doors. That door.
Did you hit it? No. Oh. So, focus only on how you want your body to move. Don't focus on making lifts. Don't focus on any of that shit. Focus on the change and let everything else happen as it happens. So take one more poke at it. Push down. I know, but push down to stand up. Keep thinking that. Feel yourself even a little bit forward in your feet. Feel yourself mid-foot. Yep, that's better.
So, what's up, Matt?
What's going on? How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Doing good. Sitting here hanging out, doing a little coaching, hanging, and Dan and Nick and I are going to get some drinks afterwards. It's going to be good. All my team's out in Nashville competing this weekend, so. Stay back.
Make your hamstrings hurt. There you go. Good. Really feel that sweep as you stand up. Nice. Good one to finish on. Nice. So weightliftery.
Thank you.
Good. You want to do question of the day?
What is our question of the day?
I already got one.
Oh!
Yeah, you're the only person I haven't asked.
Oh, dude, it's been 46 minutes.
Yeah.
You asked everyone.
Well, there's
All right,
not
here
that
we
many
go.
people here today, so it didn't take long.
That's fair.
Okay. Your favorite weightlifting snack? It's like intro workout.
Wait, while I'm working out or before I work out?
While you're working out.
It's got to be my Sour Patch Kids. Lemonade flavor.
Okay.
Because I'm bougie.
I asked Ethan, and his answer was
Whatever Tyler brought.
Came at it a little bit. Keep driving flat feet down. Oh. Stay vertical. So, I think the dip and drive was good. Good bar action. You're just shooting to the bottom instead of trying to get resistance up against the bar as soon as you can.
what is your favorite intra workout weightlifting snack?
So, do you want, since I don't train like that anymore,
Right?
Doesn't matter.
and back when I was actually training, it was coffee and KFC.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, you power lifter. Jeez.
There's a KFC right up the road. And the guy I used to coach would bring in a bucket of KFC about every workout. And I always had a giant mug of coffee. So coffee and KFC.
Hi, Brandon. Do you want to be part of our series?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, you're not getting programming right now, are you?
No.
So you're not on the powerlifting team.
No.
Currently doing strongman.
Strongman.
Okay.
Not a strongman, though.
Not a strong- Okay. So now that you're in the series,
Okay.
you want to do question of the day.
Yeah, sure.
What is your favorite intro workout snack? So the snack you eat while you're working out.
I don't really have one. I like mooching off other people's like gummy bears and stuff, though.
So it's Ethan.
pretty good.
That was Ethan's answer.
Gummy bears?
Whatever Tyler has. Or
All right.
whatever is free.
Okay. Yeah, whatever Dan has.
Yeah.
He's given me candy a ton of times. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. That's a good answer.
All right.
What are we doing today?
Circus Dumbbell. You want to check it out?
Yeah, I did.
I'm not good at it yet, but.
I say, Phineas, great day to be doing squat thrusts and lifting our huge triangular iron weights.
All right, well, it looks cool. Do you want to get in on question of the day?
Sure, what's question of the day?
Your favorite intro workout weightlifting snack?
Favorite what workouts?
Intro workout. So like
Intro.
while you're weightlifting, what
Yeah.
snack do you like to have?
Oh, snack. Oh, God. I used to always have the Lifesaver Wild Berry Gummies.
Texture-wise, one of the best gummies.
Oh, so good.
Good. I'm actually trying to work more Machiavelli into my coaching.
Machiavellian? What does that mean?
Machiavelli wrote The Prince. The Empathy-Free Guide to Politics. Yeah, there we go. You're getting it back. You're getting it back. When this gets out, I'm gonna get so much shit. I'm like legendary in the community for hating squat jerks.
I know. I am very surprised you're allowing her to do that. I don't know what happened to you. Like Lindsay's squat jerky. Tyler and I are doing CrossFit a couple days a week.
Well, I'm like the Grinch. My heart grew 3 sizes in one night.
And what happened then? Well, in Whoville, they say that the Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day. And then the true meaning of Christmas came through, and the Grinch found the strength of 10 Grinches plus 2.
Like powers, when you're doing a power, it's to teach you to be tight against the bar and then let the bar push you down or ride it down. So meet it in a power, pause for a moment, then squat. There you go. So feel that pressure up against the bar and get in the habit of that. Nice clean. Meet it tight to ride it down.
Nice.
So you're a little forward on that dip, but you adjusted to it really well.
The man is here.
Greetings, greetings.
What's up, my dude?
How's it going, man?
Good. You want me to help you out with it?
Wait, yeah, can you just slide that in there? Just slide that.
There we go.
Perfect. How was the meet?
Meat was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, meat was good.
Fun.
It was fun.
Everybody did really well?
Camilo, first meet, did awesome.
Yeah.
PR'd both lifts. Katie hit numbers that she hasn't hit in like over a year. Lindsay, trying to qualify.
Yeah.
I had to go big on the clean and jerk.
Everybody's been there.
Yeah.
Everybody's been there.
I did it at stage.
Trying to hit something big.
Yeah.
I've been there as well
Yeah.
on the biggest platform of the year.
Yes. Norm.
Oh yeah, Norm was a fucking beast.
Fucking beast.
Question of the day. For Max.
Oh, okay.
How long was your nap when you got here?
I just slept. Blue monkey. Wait,
What you don't know is Max arrives here like 8 a.m. and then takes a nap till like 11 or 12.
No, now I just do the naps after work.
It looks like some kind of.
You're the only
Big
person I've
napper.
ever met who does intro
Vietnam.
workout naps.
Yeah.
This is like
Very
an,
me
it's
today,
like
bro.
what? It's like an
Crazy.
Asian.
Wait, no, go back to
Snatching,
It's like
clean and
it's like an
jerk.
easy.
Yeah.
Get your arms in it. Your arms have to do something after the legs. Short dip, short and quick. There we go. That's the right timing. I don't know if you noticed how short your split was because the dip and drive was so good.
Thick boy.
Oh. Wait, you're stone cold and outside.
got Camilo as John Cena.
Yeah, dude. We got the whole WWE roster on here.
He's involved. I have.
Oh yeah! Okay, if you're Shawn Michaels,
Okay.
you're Stone Cold. Camilo is John Cena. Can I be Gold Dust?
That makes sense to me.
Yeah,
That makes
I
sense
did not
to
get
me.
that reference.
Gold Dust.
What's the question of the day?
How you want to do it?
Oh yeah. You actually have one?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, question of the day. What is your favorite intra workout weightlifting snack?
Peach Sour Patch Kids. Yes, Peach Sour Patch Kids, for sure. What? 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 I don't like this. Speaking of, Dan. Yes, sir.
Give me 2.
Well, you get
All right, 3. That's it. They're so good.
There you go. Good arms. Nice. Well, short and quick. You let your chest drop a little bit. I don't think you changed the torso angle. You just got soft here.
Max? You're over here. We're all sharing a platform. It's a bonding experience. Come on.
No, I'll take all the way up here right here. Sit me right here. No, Dan will yell at me.
Max! Go right there!
Did he just tell you what to do?
The first year? It's gonna tell you what to do? It's just sit
Question of the day. Ready?
Good question.
What is your favorite intra workout weightlifting snack?
Dude. Definitely like the ready drinks. It's just like juice,
Max, I already have all
electrolytes.
these plates out for you.
So, all right,
Yeah.
you're going performance.
Hell yeah.
Everyone else is gummy bears.
Ah, dude. No sweets for me. No sweets.
Yeah, man, discipline.
Nah.
You know what?
Dude, that'd be awesome.
Wouldn't that be cool?
Vlogging.
Yeah.
Are they all bees?
Everyone's leaving you.
What do you mean by that?
No one's else on your platform.
Wait a minute!
Yeah.
What the fuck? Hey! You chose to do block weight? Hey, ball mouth boy! Really? I hate this shirt.
Yeah.
Shirt. You left me? Yeah, it's personal now. Max left me, so I left you. So I joined Katie. Both of my kids left me.
Yep.
They have flown the cuckoo's nest.
Question of the day. What is your favorite intra workout weightlifting snack?
Rice Krispie treats.
Rice Krispie treats.
Home style.
There's actually different Rice Krispie treats.
Once you
Chocolate drizzle. Birthday cake.
cookie dough,
Cookie dough. We have M&M.
double chocolate chunk.
Depends on the mood.
And is home style like the original?
Home style is new, but it has like little chunks of marshmallow in it, and it's a lot bigger.
Not superior.
Like fluffier.
Chocolate drizzle. All day long.
Home style.
All right, I learned so much.
Yeah.
I've learned so much about Rice Krispie treats. So, is Ethan one of your kids too?
See, you say that, but then this is like the only day of the week that
Because
he's a goon.
He's a goon.
So
You
why-
have
I
Evan,
have goons and I have
Evan,
kids.
you have Max.
These are my kids. And then my goons
Norm, Ethan, Camilo. And now I just got Harlan.
Oh yeah,
So I have
Harlan.
4 goons in the squad with 2 kids.
So what am I?
You're Uncle Jason.
I'm the daddy.
You're my bro.
I'm the fucking
You're
daddy.
my brother.
I'm the daddy.
You're an uncle. You are not daddy.
Just get your chest up and you meet it. Take another poke at it because you're there.
Max, 40 kilos. Here we go.
Let's go.
Nice power. All right, here we go. You got this shit. Lightweight, motherfucker. God damn it, get your knees back more.
You all right? We're gonna have blocks in the next block. That's because you did this and it crashed the fuck on you instead of that.
Oh, warming up with the blues. The big dog now.
Oh, the humanity. It's the bulgy. He's like a moose.
Go ahead. Go
What?
ahead.
What?
And what did you say while he was muscle snatching once or 60?
Mark me down for scared and horny.
Oh my god.
Ah, the no feet warm up. Coach approved.
Okay, man, I have some news to break to you.
Oh no.
I've been snatching no foot for all my percentages recently.
That's fine because it helps you not jump back.
I was about to say, because whenever it's my top sets, I jump this
Yeah.
far back.
No
And I
feet.
don't really like have loud feet on my top sets anyway. So I'm like, okay, let's just practice not using my feet warming up. So if that's okay with you.
That's fine.
Okay.
No, it's a classic fix for that problem. It forces you to be more vertical. As long as you're keeping the focus on nice flat-footed leg drive.
Yeah, it's felt good.
Okay. The better you get, the more experience you get, the more this is a negotiation. It's not dictatorial.
Well,
when you know absolutely nothing, of course, just do what I tell you. But you know, you got a pretty fucking good idea about most of it. So if you're doing stuff like that, don't feel like it's gonna hurt my feelings.
Well, I just, because if that's something that you like are kind of like against, and like the way you feel about going about things, I wouldn't do it, obviously. Or if like it wasn't going well while I was doing it.
But if it's helping, it's fine.
Okay.
I go back and forth with Drake like this all the time.
Yeah.
You know, he's a veteran of the sport.
Right.
So he only needs little things here and there. He needs an outside perspective.
Yeah.
And they look good. They look good.
Yeah, I feel good.
Uh-oh.
It's like I'm more like connected to the bar.
Yeah. Like, sometimes one of the things that'll make you jump backwards, people get too wrapped up in as much height on the bar as possible instead of maximizing the timing.
Right.
Because you can get all the height in the world, but if you're late moving under the bar, it won't matter. Right. That timing matters more than max bar height.
That's true. And whenever I get to those heavier weights, my timing gets thrown off because it moves a lot slower up the floor and like through the second pull. So that's why it just throws everything off.
Well, I've talked to a few old coaches over the years, and one of the things the old guys say is you basically have to relearn how to lift each new PR, because technique is load dependent, not just observable movement dependent.
Yeah, I get that now. It's crazy.
Yeah.
You stood up. Well, I see 4 people watching me. I'm like,
I'm not self-conscious.
Yeah. You're self-conscious. I'm not self-conscious. You're self-conscious.
Make sure you're getting aggressive, pulling it up your belly. Hey, you came at that one quite a bit.
Yeah, I thought that one. It's like out here.
Yeah, drive mid. I mean, I'm great with no feet. You can keep that going just fine, but make sure you're driving off flat feet all the way to the top. Good, Max. Are you finally out of here? That was super scoopy. You're staying over nice. You've got to drive down to stand up.
I know.
Okay, you got behind the bar a little too early.
Okay.
Right about here, you started shifting back. Stay over a little bit longer, and it's that you get behind the bar early when you start thinking of accelerating the bar with torso.
Like what I just did. So pull the bar higher.
Okay.
I mean the first pull or second pull.
First pull, legs just a little bit longer.
Right.
But you've got to think of driving down to stand straight up. As soon as you think of accelerating the bar by whipping the torso back, that as the weight gets heavier, that exacerbates the issue. That's why you jump back 6 inches, 8 inches, because you're trying to catapult the bar with your torso instead of using your torso as a connection to your legs to drive with your legs.
Did I jump back on that one?
No, you got behind the bar and then here. So stay over a little bit longer.
It's like I was saying, I'm pulling my thighs up too early then.
Probably. You could be. There's a rhythm to it, and you don't want to rush through it.
Yeah, I just hate snatching.
But
I hate snatching.
that's why you're gonna understand it in every nuance till you're great at it.
So, are we loading for 2 or 3 weeks?
2. So